Yeah, good evening. Yeah, I said let me try something different today. This is me. I'm applying my foundation on my face and I'm blending. I do more of blending and blending and blending. Take my time to blend. I'm still blending. Yeah, so let me apply blush, liquid blush. I don't normally do this, but because of creating a video and most people don't know this, so I said let me apply liquid brush. Then I'm applying highlighter, liquid highlighter. Normally when I want to go out, I'm going to church, I'm doing makeup, I don't normally apply this liquid highlighter because it takes time to blend and the rest. I use dry uh, powder instead to highlight my face, but because of the content of this video I just needed to do something different, and it's been long I tried liquid highlighter. So yeah, I'm highlighting my face with dry powder, finishing powder. I'm setting my face to give the face a shape. As you all know, this is my favorite part, contour. It's my nose contour. You want to try? The nose must point. If it does not point, that means it's not me. Point the nose. Figure the nose. Yeah, I'm applying blush. I don't normally do all this. My face is always natural, but I need the makeup to come out on the face, so I went through all the process. Though I jumped some. Okay, I'm lining my brows. This actually didn't take time because my brows are easy to draw. Most people's brows are very difficult to draw, but mine, I'm already used to drawing my brows, so it's very easy. Less than 2 minutes, I'm done drawing my brows. Yeah, does not take time. So making it look natural. That yeah, doesn't take time drawing my brows. I'm done. Now I'm cleaning the under of my brows to make the brows look neat. I see now beautiful these brows came out. Can you see? It does not really take time. What takes time is blending off the concealer. That's why most times I don't use liquid concealer. I use dry powder to clean my brows under. Blending becomes very easy. It does not waste time. All these processes take a lot of time. So it's been long I went through all this process though. Yeah. How beautiful the brows turned out to be. So let me apply eyeshadow. Though it did not come out the way I wanted it to come out, but it was giving. It was giving. Yeah. Eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm done. So let me line my lip. I'm done lining my lip. Though I skipped some part of the video because my phone was down and it was just going down. I don't know my iOS, so I just needed to be fast and skip some. Yeah, this is it.